In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or insert SIM card on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So simply, I'm just take a pin and just put in and I'm get to SIM tray. I'm usually remove SIM card. Okay. Or if you want to insert a SIM card, take new SIM card and adjust properly and just put in. Okay, and I'm just set up, open settings, press on to cellular. As you can see, now successfully connect my SIM card. That's it.